They use these cards to just play around here. Look at my age that I am already 40 plus. I am just accomplishing my dream only here.
How long did it take for you to adjust in this new environment?
Not more than a week.
So what do you love most about your US college culture and why? How was your visa approval done? Was it smooth? How was it for you? How have you planned your time to network with people around here? Hi sir, could you tell me what your name is and where you're from and what college are you studying at?
So I'm Kapil Wadhwa and I am from Delhi NCR.
Mm-hmm.
Here I am studying into Drexel Engineering Management.
Okay.
So it's like I'm here to just pursue the MS in Engineering Management and other stuffs also because I'm just trying to learn other through clubs also.
So how did you fulfill your dream of studying in the US and what program are you doing here?
So if I talk about the dream, you could look at my age that I am already 40 plus, and if I say that I'm just accomplishing my dream only here, and here I'm there to just learn more onto the engineering side, so that I can increase my knowledge and go and just work as an, you can say, onto the higher management level.
Okay.
Big-
So did you face any roadblocks? How was your visa approval done? Was it smooth? How was it for you?
Roadblocks was regarding the financial constraints only, but regarding the visa process and other stuff, it was very much clear. I just cleared it into the first round only, and nothing else onto that part.
Amazing. And how did you overcome your financial constraints?
Financial constraint, yes, I need to just gone through, you can say, 3 or 4 you can say banks where I just tried up, and there I found that 2 or 3 banks were not giving me the loan, and then you can say after that came to know that one of the international bank and then our Indian bank also one supported me into it.
Amazing, amazing. So what surprised you the most about the US culture when you first came here?
If I talk about the surprise was related to that once I will be there will be it will be a cultural difference and more of it. But and regarding the professors, that those will be like what we face in India, that we need to study. But here they are very much you can say into a comfortable mode, and they used to help us out. That yes, you learn it, we will help you out. Anything you require, we are there to support you.
Amazing. How is campus life different from what you expected it to be?
So if I compare it with India, in India the campus life is totally different. It is not like what we are having in US. Here they used to make you comfortable while you are there. You can roam around, you can just go into any of the building and you want to study. 24 hours libraries are working here. There we can't do that in India. Libraries are there. There are other cultural centers are also there where we can go and we can study there. Even mentor programs are there, which helps us a lot in understanding our subjects. Plus, the clubs also, they used to also help us out.
Amazing. And how long did it take for you to adjust in this new environment?
Probably I will say not more than a week.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Great. So what do you love most about your US college culture and why?
If I talk about the college culture, the you can say friendliness of the professors, it's amazing. They used to help you a lot, so that will definitely helps us out onto it.
Amazing. And have you adjusted to the life over here? And if you're still adjusting, how is the adjusting going for you?
Adjusting to the life, it's only changed in myself is that there I was in India, I used to just drive my own car. Here I am just doing a walking and every time just trying to just figure it out how to reach there to the college. And all.
I remember you telling about the furniture and the buildings that you're doing in your house. How is that experience?
It's good because here in India it is not like that the Facebook market works here. So Facebook market really helped me out here.
Because marketplace.
Yes, marketplace. Yes,
platform.
because I already did these types of things when I was in Australia.
Okay.
So it helped me here also. I got my bed frame newly box packed furniture I got in a you can say half rate I got that. I will not say I paid around $200 for it. I just paid $100 for it and I just got that.
That's great.
Yeah.
So, what's one thing you found out that was the most important while traveling to the States?
If only the problem what I was that directly reaching to this from New York was little bit of difficult for me because I changed around 3 trains from there to just reach it out. That was a little bit of problem. Now I'm thinking once if I am just going back to India and just to come by here, just to directly take the international Philadelphia airport only and just to come here only directly.
Amazing. And how have you planned your time to network with people around here?
Planning is like that we are only having the classes 2 days a week. So what we used to do, but what we come there, we used to study in the libraries, just to hang around with all the friends here, and to meet other persons also, with those who are in our you can say classes are there in engineering management. We hang out there and we just try to finish our all the assignments, everything together only. Just
Amazing. And lastly, have you joined any clubs in the campus, and what are those?
So clubs are related to, I joined here Disha Club, which is an you can say Asian club where they used to just hang around all the festivals of India. Then I have joined the chemical engineering group, where they used to do lots of research onto the how to you can say develop a car running through the gas and all this stuff. So all this stuff. Then I also joined other groups which are helping the other foundations also. So that those that I joined.
Amazing. Very nice meeting you.
Thank you
so much.
so much. Thank you.